Inspired by input from healthcare professionals who have endured the complexities of fluid management firsthand, the Fluent system is designed to streamline hysteroscopic procedures for the entire OR team.
The first time I used Fluent, I was actually following my partner. And she came back from the operating room and she had this astonished look on her face. She has seen a lot of innovative things recently, and she said, "Kristen, you are not going to believe this fluid management system. It is just amazing."
The Fluent system transforms the fluid management experience with simplified setup and operation, advanced technology to increase clinical confidence, and streamlined workflow for the entire OR team. Fluent simplifies setup and operation with its FlowPak cartridges that snap into place, an intuitive touchscreen that automatically guides setup and operation, and single waste bag design that eliminates the need for multiple canisters.
In order to improve the current systems that we're using, Fluent is the answer. Taking out all the steps, making it user-friendly and easy to assemble.
It's so simple. We just snap it into place, and when we're done, we snap it out of place. There's no canister changing. The tubes are all there. It's compact.
Fluent's advanced technology increases clinical confidence with accurate fluid deficit readings within plus or minus 50 milliliters, advanced pressure control that maintains consistent intrauterine distension, and FlowPak technology that helps manage fluid use throughout the procedure.
If you're going to do any sort of a procedure where you're removing tissue, you really need to know what is the patient absorbing, because it can affect their health immediately and post-operatively. And I feel like when I do a regular hysteroscopy, we're always guessing at how much fluid is on the floor. But in this situation, because there's nothing on the floor, because everything is so compact, I think it's much more accurate, and that makes me feel confident that I'm doing the right thing for my patients.
Fluent helps streamline workflow for the entire OR team with its visual and audible alerts that keep the procedure moving efficiently, procedure kits that give nurses all the components they need in one SKU, and by requiring less equipment with its integrated MyoSure controller.
I think in terms of improving efficiency, all hospitals are looking for that. And if we can turn over cases quicker because we're set up quicker and we're getting the cases done quicker, we're going to have a successful process.
The MyoSure plugin on the Fluent system is incredibly convenient. Before the Fluent system, it was just an expectation that there would be water on the floor, that the nurses would be scrambling, that we would have to be struggling with all these tubes and changing canisters and not knowing exactly what's happening with our procedure. Since the Fluent system, it has become so much more efficient and so much easier to understand exactly what's going on with my patient. I have a much happier operating room staff, and if my operating room staff is happy, I'm happy.
To learn more about Fluent, visit fluentbyhologic.com.